Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here, doing my first video. 70mm alpha padlock, Japanese, beautiful lock. This thing's an absolute beast. Key retaining shackle comes right out once you're in the open position, but you have to hold it to put it back in. Can't be shimmed, I'll tell you that. Can't be shimmed a la Bosnian Bill. So let's go top of the keyway, 50,000 pry bar, and see if we can get into this guy today. Click at a 5. So we've gone into a false set. It's a pretty deep fault set at that. I think I might have overset. Okay. It's a pretty deep fault set now. It's got to be one spool. There's definitely got to be a T-pin in here. Trying to see if someone here is going to give me some. There we go. We got an open. We got our shackle out. And this thing, I don't know if you guys can see the tension wrench. This thing is heavy spring loaded. So let me put the shackle back in. Get it locked. I want to thank Bosnian Bill, lock-picking lawyer. I've been watching you guys for a while. Sorry about the poor quality on the first video. The alpha, Japanese made, non-shimmable, 5-pin spools, possibly a T-pin there in number 3. This thing's a beast. Hope you guys liked the video, and I hope to be back again, and maybe with a better camera. Thanks guys, have a good day.